Good morning, teachers. We are the development team behind BurroTech. Today, we are proud to present our final software engineering project, Farmacias Post. Before we dive into the technical details, I would like to introduce the talented team that made this ecosystem a reality. My name is Chagas Rincon Gabriel, acting as the CEO of the project and manager. With me today are Santiago Cruz Ortiz, our database administrator, Jesus Lopez Enrique, our graphic and UX UI designer, and Joshua Miranda and Alonso Vargas, our lead programmer. Together, we have spent the last few months designing, coding, and testing. To answer the first core question, what is our project? Farmacias Post is a comprehensive multi-platform digital ecosystem tailored specifically for the pharmaceutical sector. Historically, pharmacy management in Mexico has suffered from a massive technology gap, while transnational corporations use predictable AI and advanced tracking local and medium-scale pharmacies still rely on manual paper records or basic spreadsheets. Pharmacies Post bridge this gap. It is a dual environment system consisting of a robust web platform for pharmacy administration and a mobile application from the end user or customer. In a nutshell, it's a tool designed to bring corporate level technology to local community business.
So what exactly do it do? Pharmacy Pulse automates and optimizes an internal and external operation of the pharmacy, completely eliminating human error and manual vulnerability. Our workflow is divided into four main operational stages. First is handling inventory management. The system tracks the every of all medical supplies and automatically monitors expiration date. Second, the provided medical assistance. When the patient comes to a doctor or web every month, tutors and artificial intelligence, virtual assistants that suggests diagnosis and prescription based on the input symptoms. It is important to clarify that this is a supportive tool and never replace the human doctor's final judgment. Finally, its purpose continues information shielding. It executes cybersecurity protocols in the background to protect sensitive medical records and operational data from any external threats.
Moving on to how it works, behind the scene, Pharmacia Plus operates on a clean server architecture. The foundation of our software relies on a highly relational database developed in MySQL, which we later migrate to PostgreSQL via supervised or cloud hosting. From a coding perspective, we utilize Java and Kotlin to build the interface and connect them to our database. We also integrate hardware in directions such as a NFC card reader, allowing employers to log in security and consumers to redeem their digital wallet points semi. The benefit of our project are both economic, operational, by digitalizing the inventory, we eliminate the financial losses caused by expired medication, by implementing a strict cybersecurity, by guarantees the continuity of our business.
Looking ahead, the future we envision for pharmaceuticals is scalable and ambitious. Our slogan is innovation that kicks start. We want BurroTech to expand and new horizons, turning this software into an investable only that has human health on national scale. We envision a future when even the smallest neighbor pharmacy has the same technological defense and efficiency, has a global pharmaceutical chain.
To conclude our presentation, we would like to share our personal points of view regarding this project and experience. In my personal opinion, this project taught me the true value of strategic planning and documentation as a project manager. Mapping out our guide charts and defining the legal frameworks made me realize that software engineering isn't just about type coding. It's about solving our real world problems legally, ethically, and efficiently. It showed me how all our subjects interlock to create a professional product.
From my perspective, Proyecto Aula challenged us to build something that could actually survive in the real market. Working on the database architecture and entity relationship diagrams was incredibly demanding. However, seeing how the inventory tables perfectly communicate with the sales models to prevent stocks loose provide to meet the theoretical concepts we learned class had massive practical value of business.
In my opinion, technology is useless if people don't know how to use. My main takeaway from this project was the importance of embedding in UX and UI design. By using Figma to create the look and feel of the app, I learned that understanding the stress of a pharmacy is crucial. Designing letters, buttons, and intuitive menus isn't just an aesthetic use. It's a functional necessary that makes their daily lives easier.
For me, the most valuable part of this project was mapping out the user logic. Designing the use case and sequence diagrams showed me how to predict every possible interaction a user could have with our system. It helped me understand that a successful project requires anticipating errors before they happen, ensuring that both the doctor and the patient have a flawless experience.